Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. In this video, we'll learn how to make a mask that combines Foxy and Mangle from Five Nights at Freddy's. On this channel, we have many masks from this popular video game, so subscribe so you don't miss out on future ones. The first step will be to download the PDF with the templates. The link is in the description. You can print them on regular paper and then glue the pieces onto colored cardstock. Or, like I do, print directly on colored cardstock to save time. Remember, there's a smaller version of the mask for kids, and in case you don't have colored cardstock, there's also a colored version of the templates. That way, you'll only need white cardstock to print them. If you're using the non-colored templates like me, you'll need 1 black cardstock, 1 red cardstock, 1 light orange cardstock, 1 pink cardstock, 3 white cardstocks, and 3 orange cardstocks. If you have the colored version, you'll just need 8 white cardstocks. Let's take a look at the pieces. Pieces 8, 13, and 14 will be red. These pieces, also found on the first page, will be black. Piece 23 will be light orange. The pieces on page 2 will be pink. From pages 3 to 5, the pieces will be orange, and from page 6 onward, they'll be white. Take your time to pause the video and carefully check the color of each piece before continuing. If you have the colored version of the templates, just print and cut them out. As you can see, we need to fold along the lines. And if you don't remember how to do it, I've left a short video to show you how to do it. Now we're ready to build. We'll start with pieces 1 and 2 to create the right ear. Glue the flaps on piece 1 to shape it. Then add piece 2 to the center. Next, pieces 3, 4, and 5. First, join pieces 3 and 4. Then shape piece 5 and attach it to the others. As you can already tell, we're starting with the mangle half of the animatronic. We'll attach the part we just made to the ear. Now join pieces 6 and 7 to create Mangle's eye, then add them to the previously assembled mask pieces. Piece 8 is the red circle we'll glue onto this part of the cheek. Let's start forming the mouth and nose using pieces 9 and 10. Start by folding and shaping piece 9. Then do the same with piece 10 to form the nose. Once both are ready, attach them to the mask. With pieces 11 and 12, we'll create the jaw. Glue the flaps of piece 12 first, then attach it to piece 11 to form Mangle's jaw and fangs. Pieces 13 and 14, both red, are Mangle's lipstick. Attach the smaller one to the bottom and the other to the top. To finish the Mangle side, we'll add piece 15, which is a fang. Now for the Foxy side of the mask. Start with pieces 16 and 17 to form the ear. Then use pieces 18 and 19. Piece 18 will be the base of the ear. As you'll see, it should be black. With piece 19, we'll make Foxy's little hair tufts and attach them to the ear base. Next, pieces 20 and 21. Shape piece 20 like this and attach it to piece 19. They're both part of the same piece. When it's ready, apply glue to the flaps and attach piece 21 like this. Now we'll attach this section to the mangle side to continue building the mask. Piece 22 will form Foxy's eye. Glue it together carefully, making sure all the flaps are secure. Let's continue with the other side of the mouth and fang. Piece 23 is very similar to Mangle's. Shape it the same way and attach it to the mask. Take your time with the flaps to get the best result in your creations. The fang will be glued to this part of piece 23. Next, we'll form the other part of the jaw using pieces 25 and 26. Subscribe and give the video a like for more creations. Then, we'll attach both parts of the jaw together. Pieces 27, 28, and 29 are Foxy's fangs. Add them in numerical order. Before attaching the jaw to the mask, we'll add Foxy's details like piece 30, the eyebrow and the little square. To attach the jaw, you have two options. One is to glue both sides and join the mask parts, but the downside is the jaw won't move. Or you can use two paper fasteners brads that allow movement. You can find them at any stationery store. Insert one on each side and the jaw will be movable. This last part is optional. You'll need 2 circles of translucent black fabric for the eyes. Apply glue around the inner edge of each eye and place a fabric circle on each one. And that's how our combined Foxy and Mangle mask will look. Remember, you can support this content by joining Momuscraft Premium, and you'll be able to download any template from the channel without ads. Thanks so much for watching the video.